So this was my Saturday. I can't see anything with these. So out here at Norm's, right, there's something to know is that it's really cheap and it's really, really good. Like, brother, how's the coffee?
It's really good. Look, I'm really picky with my coffee. I really don't like when it's like, when it tastes too much like dirt and when it's too bitter and it tastes old. But this tastes really light and fresh. It's delicious. I like it a lot.
So what do you think about Norm's? It's delicious.
Alright guys, so what ended up happening was that Emmanuel needed to go use the restroom and Melissa and I want to go eat. But we know Emmanuel would get mad if he didn't get to take a picture of all of this. So here you are. We got an omelet with salsa. Oh, what's an omelet with salsa, Belgian waffle, nice looking sandwich. Melissa, pancake, slip. Whoa, inappropriate, PG-13, yeah? And then that's it. Sorry, Manuel.
Alright, so it was good. Food was good. I mean, you guys saw what they had. But oh my god, when I went to the bathroom, guess what I saw? So I opened the door, right? And all I see is this dude taking a piss, right? You know, at the urinal, because it's like the urinal. Then on the other side is like washing the hands and stuff, right? And then on the other side is like, you know, where you know, restroom, where you take a deuce, right? But Liz, could you hold the camera for a second? Yo, you can put that in the car first. I'll show you guys what I saw. So I walk in, right, and freaking there's a dude with it, like he's grabbing his wiener, right, and he's just like this, peeing, and looks at me and does this, and I was like, okay, I'm cool with that. And I just kind of like, it was weird because he was like this, and if I would have looked down, I would have saw his like 7.5, but he was just like this, and I was like, okay. But yeah, that's basically it. Other than that, it was a pretty good lunch experience. Alright guys.